pretty crazy. Dude, it's super
Coming
bright.
this way.
Too.
Yeah.
It's gonna come up and go.
That is
Right
so
at it.
awesome.
It's coming right at us.
You can turn that thing off.
Wow.
We were way wrong on our location.
What?
Yeah,
We
y'all
thought it
were
was over
way
there to the
off. I
right. It was
thought
way
y'all
to
were
the
way
right.
off.
Yeah,
I
I
was
can
like,
see the
what
cloud
are
where it
you
left off.
talking about?
Yeah, we were way off. One minute. Been in the air for 1 minute.
You thought it was gone?
Let's come
Like
this
this?
way. It's just kicked in the boosters
It's
now.
right there.
Just kicked it in. It's gonna come right over it this way. It's heading to the moon. See, look, the moon's over there.
Wow.
Video, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? We will in a minute. We'll get loud. Kilometers per hour.
Wow.
35 now. Now you're on the big go. 4,400 kilometers per hour. $7,500 kilometers per hour.
See it now.
It's separate.